How to transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer your Google Play Games data to your Game Center. The process is simple, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, launch the Google Play Store and tap on your account icon in the top right corner. Now from there, simply select your email. Now, after that, exit the Google Play Store and simply open the Google Play Games. Now, from there, simply scroll down and tap on the profile icon. Now, once you are in the profile section, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner, and from there, simply select Settings. And once you are in the settings section, simply scroll down and find the option labeled Change Account for Games, and simply tap on that. And here, as you can see, I have already set an account as my default account for Google Play Games data. But if you want to change it, you can simply tap on Change and select the account that you want to use. And that's it. That's how you can successfully transfer your Google Play Games data to Game Center. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.